to another Pokemon X and Y unboxing. This time it's the Pokemon Y unboxing. Just came up from midnight release. Can't wait to play this. Can't wait to use him. It's gonna be awesome. I'll open this then. Here you go. My roommate's gonna open the game for me while I hold the camera. Have my 3DS right next to it. Just cannot wait. And hype. It's time to get hype. So freaking exciting. That's my baby, my Xbox. All right. There you go. You have your game, your booklet. It's only what, like 3 pages. That's all right. You could get Torchic or Snap. And there's a code. I'm not gonna show you that. Well, that's it. Thank you. Subscribe, like. See you next time.